Alright, good morning everyone for day 3 on the P&O Azura. And this morning, this is how I woke up. A lot of vibrations. It takes a moment when you wake up in the morning to realise that you're on a cruise ship and actually the vibrations are perfectly normal. But there you go, that was a nice natural alarm clock for me this morning. But anyway, day 3 on board the P&O Azura. We're in Gran Canaria today. So what I suggest we do is we go upstairs to the buffet, get some breakfast, and have a look around and decide what we're going to do today. So let's go do that. Oh, I should probably bring you with me, don't I? Alright, I've got to say, it's a hot one today, and that's exactly why we came here. The endless summer. But what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to get lotioned up, then we're going to go and have a look at Gran Canaria and see what's going on. There you go. I don't know if you can already see the slight tan line that I've got already. And I was only out there for like, there's my face there. I was only out there for like, move the camera out of the way. I was only out there for like 30-40 minutes. So I'm definitely going to have to get lotioned up. So we're going to do that now. Alright, that's me all ready to go. So let's go. Alright, my legs are really sore after that, but I had a great time walking around Gran Canaria. I haven't got a lot of time because they're going to be shutting the buffet soon for an hour, and we can't have that, so we're going to have to get up there and get some food. I think just as an added bonus as well, I don't think I burnt, which is pretty incredible because that sun was beating down. Oh yeah, God, we've got to go to the buffet. Sorry, let's go. Right, I don't know if the camera's going to be able to pick this up, but I've got like rings like around my eyes where my sunglasses were. Yeah, you can kind of see it here that you got. That's where my sunglasses were, so it might be slightly burnt around there. I'm not sure. But don't worry, guys. That's why I brought the aloe vera because I knew this would happen, man. I knew it would happen. So my plans for this evening, you've got England are playing in the World Cup tonight, so they're showing that up on top deck. Which you can see here, and they're having a barbecue as well, which will be pretty good. So we're going to go to that. That starts at 7. So we'll go to that, and then I think the other ships are leaving at 8 o'clock. So we might not stay for the whole thing. It depends how England play, probably, to be honest with you. But I'm going to go put some aloe vera on, just to make sure I don't burn so early on in the holiday. And then we'll head up there. Well, we are on our way, and that brings us to the end of day 3 on board the P&O Azura. I had a great time in Gran Canaria, and the weather was absolutely fantastic. A good benchmark for the rest of the holiday. If they can keep that up, I'll be very happy indeed. I might even go back with a bit of a tan. How about that? That'll be pretty cool. But yeah, it's a sea day tomorrow as we make our way up to a place that I've forgotten the name of, but it's the most northerly one. I think it's technically part of Portugal. So yeah, it'll be a sea day tomorrow. So hopefully it'll be a day full of sun, relaxing, and it's also a celebration night tomorrow as well. So we've got that to look forward to as well. Thank you for joining me for day 3 on board P&O. Bloody hell.